Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a channel on Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Viber app and tap on this chat icon and now tap on new channel, tap on create a channel, and to add your channel profile picture, tap on this camera icon and you can capture an instant photo for your profile by tapping on this camera, or also you can upload a photo from your gallery by tapping on this gallery option. You can crop the photo and then tap on save, and now enter here your channel name and add here a description about your channel. And you can enable age restriction by selecting this option and then tap on done. And now select peoples to invite to your channel and tap on done. So here you can see I've successfully created a channel here. Now I can easily send any photo by tapping on this icon, and I can easily send any text here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.